Apple is making a decision with the iPhone 18 Pro that is going to divide people. A next-generation display, a powerful new chip, historic camera upgrades, but also aluminum, again. Here's the full picture. Let's address the biggest talking point first. Despite backlash from iPhone 17 Pro users, reports confirm Apple is sticking with aluminum for the iPhone 18 Pro frame, no titanium return. The reasoning is straightforward. The A20 Pro chip, advanced camera system, and new display technology all cost significantly more to produce. To keep the iPhone 18 Pro at the same price as last year, Apple is absorbing those costs by maintaining the aluminum frame. For most buyers, stable pricing matters. For users who experienced iPhone 17 Pro's denting, color fading, and discoloration issues, this decision stings. Apple reportedly called those issues normal material characteristics. Customers disagreed loudly. Apple is betting that most people use cases anyway. For those who don't, this remains a legitimate concern going into 2026. 4 colors are expected, and Apple appears to have learned something from Cosmic Orange's controversial performance. Dark Cherry leads the lineup, a deep matte wine finish that sounds genuinely elegant and far more timeless than last year's bold choices. Light blue, space gray, and silver complete the range. Notably, matte finishes and darker tones hide everyday aluminum wear significantly better than vibrant colors. This color selection feels deliberately chosen to minimize the durability complaints that defined the 17 Pro cycle. The front of the iPhone 18 Pro is getting its most significant change in years. Apple is working toward a more compact dynamic island, reducing the cutout size meaningfully to deliver more usable screen space and a cleaner, more modern front panel. This is a direct step toward the full-screen iPhone experience Apple has been building toward for years. Combined with expected brightness improvements, the display upgrade alone gives existing iPhone 16 Pro users a compelling reason to consider upgrading. Inside, the A20 Pro chip arrives on a 2-nanometer process, faster performance, significantly better power efficiency, and the computational headroom needed for Apple's expanding AI feature set, handling complex on-device tasks without thermal throttling. For gaming, video editing, and AI-powered photography, this chip sets a new standard. Combined with better battery capacity, performance anxiety should be largely eliminated on the 18 Pro. The camera system delivers what may be the biggest iPhone photography leap in years. For the first time, Apple is bringing variable aperture to the main camera lens. The lens physically adjusts how much light enters based on shooting conditions, more light in darkness, tighter control in bright environments, natural background blur that responds to the scene rather than being computationally generated. Additionally, a 3-layer stacked sensor developed with Samsung is reportedly coming, enabling faster data readout, reduced noise, and cleaner images across all lighting conditions. The Pro Max may receive an exclusive enhanced version of this sensor. The Pro Max battery is expected to reach 5100 to 5200 mAh, the largest ever in an iPhone. Paired with the efficient A20 Pro chip, 2-day battery life for power users becomes genuinely realistic. On connectivity, Apple's in-house C2 modem arrives across the full iPhone 18 lineup, and the most ambitious rumor attached to it, full satellite internet access, not just emergency SOS, actual browsing and data connectivity from areas with zero cell coverage. If delivered, that's a category-defining feature for travelers and anyone in areas with poor network coverage. Apple is reportedly launching only the Pro models and the foldable iPhone in September 2026. The standard iPhone 18 is expected to follow in early 2027, giving Apple full holiday season focus on their premium lineup. The iPhone 18 Pro is a phone of clear trade-offs: aluminum frame to protect pricing, everything else pushed as far forward as Apple can manage. Variable aperture camera, 2-nanometer chip, smaller dynamic island, massive battery, potential satellite internet, dark cherry finish. If you're on iPhone 16 Pro or older, this is a meaningful upgrade across every dimension that matters in daily use. If titanium matters to you, Apple isn't giving it back this cycle. Which upgrade excites you most? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for every iPhone 18 Pro leak between now and September.